In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message on Booking.com extranet. If you manage a property on Booking.com, the extranet is where you handle most of your day-to-day communication. Sending a message from there keeps everything organized, linked to the right reservation, and visible to your team. Let's make this simple and smooth. First, go to Booking.com using a trusted browser. Type the official web address into your address bar rather than clicking random links, and make sure you see the secure lock icon in your browser. If you manage properties, often consider bookmarking the extranet login page so you can get back to it quickly next time without searching. Next, log into the Booking.com extranet with your account credentials. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that verification step. Once you're in, choose the correct property if your account manages more than one. On the extranet dashboard, look for the inbox or messages section in the main navigation. This is your central hub for communication. Inside, you'll typically see options